Hi everyone and welcome again. Hope you enjoy the class so far. In this lecture, we will add the Christmas stuff and the background. But before doing that, let's group all these layers. So select the above layer here and hold shift in your keyboard, select the last one to select all these layers, then click the group icon and double click here to call this group Santa. Okay, so you can now find all these layers inside that group. Now duplicate this group and convert the new one to a smart object so you can hide the original group. So now you can see we have our single layer that acts as a one layer, and if you want to change anything like the face or something, you can always get back to the group which is hidden now. Okay, and this is just to make our work easier. Now let's bring our background. So select this layer here and go to the folder, the Christmas class, and here you will find Christmas background. And again, I will give you the source of this image. I just forgot to put it here. It will be a text file. Okay, for now you can use any of these background, and I think number 10 is a good one. So click and drag it into our project. Hold shift and alt and make it bigger like this. Okay, so this is our background. It's nice. Now let's bring the other stuff. So again, get back the folder, and here you can see Christmas stuff and Christmas things. And again, here is the website if you want to find from where I bring this image. You can check that out later. Now let's bring the tree and let's position it correctly. Hold shift and alt. Okay, right about here. Fantastic. Save changes. Get back again to the folder and bring the snowman. Hold shift and alt, make it smaller. And remember, we will add the Merry Christmas sentence above, so don't make this stuff so big. I think this is good. Save changes. Now we can write Merry Christmas sentence ourselves, but we need Merry Christmas fonts, which by the way you can find, just type Merry Christmas fonts in the Google, but I didn't do that for two reasons, because some of them might have virus and some of them is paid. So what I did is, if you go again to the folder that I gave to you, Christmas stuff and Merry Christmas, you will find that there are some images contain Merry Christmas, which we will find in this website here. And these images are ready to be used immediately without bothering ourselves of typing it. But of course you can type it. Who doesn't know how to type? So we just go to that folder and bring, let's say, this one here. Okay, fantastic. And get smaller like that and place it above the Christmas stuff right there, like that. And I will change the color of this one here. So but before doing that, let's add a drop shadow because this not looks fine now. So double click at the layer and choose drop shadow and make the distance to 1 and the size to 5, the opacity to 50%, and add a stroke with a black color here. Okay, and make the distance to 1 and sorry, this is not a stroke, the color to black. Okay, and the size of that to 1. Okay, then just press OK. And let's change the Mary word color. You can do that easily by selecting the rectangular selection tool, then select the word Mary like that. Okay, then go to image adjustment, hue saturation, and here you can change that color easily. So just move it until you see the green color, which is this one, and you can make it darker from here. Okay, so I think this is a good color, then just press OK. Fantastic. Now let's add a drop shadow for the Santa here. Double click and go to drop shadow. For this one we want to make it different, so make the distance to about 10 and the size again to 10. Okay, so I think this is good for the Santa, and you can copy this style. Right click at the style here and choose copy layer style and place it in the snowman. So select the snowman, right click and choose best layer style, which is here. Okay, that's good. And we already have a drop shadow for the tree and beer and the gifts there. Now by doing this we almost finish. There is only one final touch to give this work a cartoon effects, and that will be a powerful effects that will change this image, but we will do that in the next lecture. So thank you for watching this. Thank you very much and see you there.